Hey everybody, how are you doing? And we are doing, and here in my Ziploc are all my little cinnamon gingerbread men that we made together. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. I showed in a video how to grunge up a regular, and this was a soup can. And you can go back, I'll put it at the end of this video. But what I did is I took Mod Podge and then I took ground cinnamon and coffee grounds from a Keurig, ground and dried, not wet, and then rolled it to make it look like it was rusting. And I kept some of the galvanized look and some of the rusted look, because this is the kind of look I want in my kitchen for Christmas. So let's start adding some filler, and the filler is going to be from a garland from Hobby Lobby, the cheapest you can get, and this will, like I said, act as a filler plus help things to stand up better. Let's go this way. Have these going every which way. Kind of hanging out of the can as well. I'm going to cut that. I don't want it to be loopy. Okay, so that again is just acting like your filler. And that's what you want. Take a little bit of my jute. I'm going to tie it. And you could put material. I may do that with a couple of these that I'm making. But for this one, we're going to go this way. Okay, now let's get our... our pick. What we're going to do. This I think should go with the bigger can. I'm also using a tomato can. We can definitely put this pick of pine cones. Don't think I want that white. Okay, now let's add some of our gingerbread men. Okay, so you can just set these in, or you could glue them a little bit. Let's put one of our hearts. Let's put this heart in the middle of them. Need a little bit more of the green filler. Now another thing what you could do, actually, and I think I'll heat up my glue gun and show you this way as well. So hold on. Now, what you can do is take some of your homespun, which I'm going to just take a little strip of this to make a bow. And I'm going to take a skewer from my kitchen, or you could use a chopstick that you get whenever you go to get Chinese food, whatever, save the chopsticks. I use them for everything. I even use them for my hair. As a shenog, I put it Is that how you say it? I think. But I put it up in a bun and I'll stick one through my hair. A lot of uses for those. Okay, so I'm letting the glue gun heat up, and what we're going to do, so these can be different heights, we're just going to glue the gingerbread onto a couple of these. And again, you don't have to do that. I'm not going to do this one. I'm going to do the heart and the gingerbread. And I think I'm going to add one of my tea lights that I grunged up. And that's in that video I just told you about, where I grunged up the candlestick, this, and the tea light. Okay, so let's just cut a strip. It doesn't have to be real wide. And it's better to rip it. It just looks more, it just makes it look older by doing that. Okay. You know what? I'm going to leave this one this way. I'm going to keep this for my larger can because I'm also doing a tomato can. So we're going to keep this one for that so they can be a little bit different. I'm telling you guys, with you, I wing it. I'm not kidding. Okay, here I bought some of these snowflakes last year from Hobby Lobby for Christmas, and this is how they came, brown like this. You know what I'm going to do? What I did is I traced it and cut it out from a cereal box. I'm going to take the Mod Podge, and this just came to me, and I'm going to put it in our mixture. And I'm going to do a few of these. I only did one so far. I was just messing around last night. Okay, I'm going to just smear that around on both sides. Just going to put it down into my mixture. And you don't have to do this. You could just paint it. And that wouldn't be hard to do. Just get some brown paint. And I may do that with some of them. I don't know. But why go get more if you can just use one for a pattern? And then you can make them whatever color you want. You know? Okay, there you go. And this looks a lot more rusty than this one. So I'm going to let that dry because I'm going to add it to this. I'm going to wash my hands. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is drying very nice. And I just took the pattern from this. My glue gun is heated up. So I'm going to cut these in different lengths. Let that sit for a minute. And again, you don't have to do this. You could just lay them in like this one is. That's just totally up to you. Okay. So here, and then this guy. Now, you could take it a step further and you could put twinkle lights inside of here and just have them showing. Okay? I am just going to use a tea light and I'm going to put it right here. And since it's grunged, it just is going to blend right in with what I have going on. And I want to put a little bit more filler so you don't see here's some with a little bit of white on it that I had from last year. Helps to keep it up as well. That's cool. So yes, these are very easy to make. It takes no time at all. Once you have everything ready, and if you are giving these as gifts, just do an assembly line. You know what I mean? I do that a lot of times. Get all your cinnamon gingerbread done. And then the hearts. You'd be ready to go. I'm going to put a couple of these in here because I love decorating with these. Last year I did it. I really like these and they really look good with primitive or farmhouse, anything. They look good with anything. And they're 40% off. And they were $3.99, 40% off. So let's get a little bundle. Don't need a lot. Okay. One more in here. And I'm calling it done. So there you go. There is an adorable little gift. It can be a gift for a teacher, a gift for a friend, for yourself to put in your kitchen, bunko gift, whatever you want it to be. We have our little snowflake we made, our gingerbread out of cinnamon, our heart added with some picks, a soup can grunged up with some jute. Relatively inexpensive, but very, very cute for farmhouse or primitive. So until we get together again, whatever we do, and we'll do it together, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.